Welcome friends! Today we're talking about an exchange that has become a true magnet for traders worldwide, MEXC. What makes it special? The ability to trade without mandatory KYC. Over 1,600 cryptocurrencies listed, including rare alts and meme coins. New tokens appear here earlier than on other platforms, giving you the chance to enter projects at the early stage. In this video, I'll show you how to register and secure your account, how to deposit funds and start trading on spot and futures, where to find new coins through hot search and new listings, how to use DEX+, participate in Launchpad and Kickstarter, how to earn through staking and launch trading bots. And I'll also explain how to get bonuses when registering with the promo code MEXCP69. The link is in the description below. MEXC is an international crypto exchange founded in 2018, available to users in more than 180 countries. It quickly gained popularity thanks to its simple interface, wide functionality, and the absence of mandatory verification for trading. Advantages: freedom without KYC. Spot and futures are available right after registration. Huge selection of coins. More than 1,600 cryptocurrencies, including new projects and early listings. Reliability. Cold storage of assets, proof of reserves reports, anti-phishing codes, and extra layers of protection. Ecosystem, MEXC token, Launchpad, free tokens via Kickstarter, trading bots, earn, and built-in DEX+. MEXC is the exchange that combines convenience, speed, and opportunities to discover promising projects and earn profits. All links to the exchange, bonuses, and useful materials are in the description below the video. Subscribe and hit like to stay updated on new strategies and insider tips. Getting started with MEXC takes just a couple of minutes. The registration process is extremely simple and available both on desktop and in the mobile app. Click the link in the description below. This is our official partner link with the promo code MEXCP69, which activates bonuses for new users. On the page that opens, enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Confirm that you agree with the terms and click Create Account. Check your email or SMS. You'll receive a confirmation code. Enter it on the MEXC website to complete registration. Once confirmed, you can immediately log into your account and, if you wish, install the MEXC mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Important: on MEXC, you can trade spot and futures without mandatory KYC, so your account is ready to use right after registration. But before starting to trade, it's best to set up security. That's our next step. To protect your account, enable the basic security features: two-factor authentication, 2FA. Install the Google Authenticator app. A QR code will appear on the site. Scan it and enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Be sure to save the backup key. It will help restore access if you lose your phone. Anti-phishing code. Create a short personal code that will appear in all emails from the exchange. This protects you from fake notifications and phishing attempts. Withdrawal address whitelist. Optionally, you can enable a feature that allows withdrawals only to pre-approved wallets. After setting up these parameters, your account will be securely protected and you can move on to the next step: verification or straight to trading. Check the description. All useful links and materials are collected there. One of MEXC's key features is freedom. You can trade spot and futures without mandatory KYC. Right after registration, you get access to trading, deposits, and crypto withdrawals. No extra steps required. But if you need extended features, working with fiat, P2P deals, or higher withdrawal limits, then you'll need to complete identity verification. How to pass KYC. In the top right corner, click on your avatar and select Identity Verification. Choose your country of residence. Select a document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically match the data. Enter your residential address and submit the application. Verification usually takes from a few minutes to about an hour. Once approved, you'll see the status verified and gain access to P2P, fiat operations, and extended withdrawal limits. In the end, KYC on MEXC is a fast and straightforward process that unlocks additional features, while still allowing you to freely trade cryptocurrency without unnecessary restrictions. All links to top exchanges, wallets, and bonus services are in the description below the video. How to deposit funds on MEXC. After registering and securing your account, you can add funds to the exchange. MEXC offers several convenient deposit methods: crypto deposits, P2P trades, and online exchanges. All options are safe and suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Method 1. Crypto deposit. This method is available without KYC. In the top menu, select Wallet, Spot Account, Deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit, for example USDT or BTC. Select the transfer network, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, and others. Copy the deposit address provided by the exchange. Go to your crypto wallet or another platform and send funds to the given address. The sending network must match the chosen deposit network. A mismatch will result in lost funds. After blockchain confirmations, the cryptocurrency will be credited to your balance. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. This option requires KYC. Go to Buy Crypto, P2P trading. Select the currency and your preferred payment method. Find a seller with a high rating and a suitable price. Enter the amount and create the order. Transfer money to the seller using the chosen method. After payment, click Confirm. Once the seller verifies the transfer, the cryptocurrency will automatically be credited to your account. Method 3. Deposit via online exchanger. Perfect if you can't use P2P or bank transfers. Follow the exchanger link in the description. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, USDT, TRC20. Enter the exchange amount. Paste your MEXC deposit address. Make the payment and wait for confirmation. Within a few minutes, the funds will be credited to your balance. On MEXC, you can withdraw crypto or fiat. The methods are the same as deposits, just reversed. Trading on MEXC. MEXC offers two main formats of trading, spot and futures. The platform is simple to use, and the best part is that you can trade without mandatory identity verification, KYC. Spot trading. This is the classic way to trade cryptocurrency. Buying and selling at the current price or at the price you set yourself. In the menu, select Spot. Choose a pair, for example BTC USDT. Select the order type, Market. The trade is executed instantly at the market price. Limit. You set your own price, and the order is filled once the market reaches it. Enter the amount and click Buy or Sell. Once executed, the asset will appear in your spot account. Futures allow you to open positions with leverage and profit both from rising and falling prices. In the menu, select Futures 500x. Open the desired pair. Set your leverage and order type. Specify the position size and, if needed, add stop loss and take profit. Confirm the trade. Margin modes, cross. Your overall balance is used for all trades. Flexible but riskier. Isolated. Margin is tied to a single position. Losses are limited to the allocated amount. Recommended for beginners. Commissions are minimal and execution speed is high, perfect for active traders. If you want to learn investing and trading explained in simple terms, join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description below the video. MEXC is considered one of the best platforms for hunting promising tokens and early projects that can deliver massive growth. The exchange offers special sections where it's easy to track fresh assets. How to find them? In the top menu, open the Markets tab. This is where all the tools for discovering new coins are collected. Main sections. Hot search. A list of coins most searched and bought by users right now. A great way to spot early spikes of interest. New listings. Tokens recently added to the exchange. MEXC often lists projects earlier than competitors, making this section especially important. Trending. Assets currently attracting the most attention. Rising volumes, high volatility, and active trading. Runners. Coins that have shown sharp growth in the past few hours. Useful for short-term trading opportunities. Why it matters. These built-in sections help you quickly discover new projects and tokens before they become popular on major exchanges. This gives you the chance to enter promising assets at an early stage. DEX Plus is a built-in decentralized module inside MEXC that allows you to directly purchase tokens from different networks without leaving the platform. This tool is especially valuable for those seeking new projects and coins with high growth potential. DEX Plus features: support for popular networks, Ethereum, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, and more. Many tokens appear in DEX Plus earlier than on the spot market, giving you the chance to enter projects at the very beginning. Fully decentralized operation without KYC. Choose a network, find the token, connect your wallet, or use the MEXC interface to buy, then complete the swap. DEX Plus is perfect for discovering new meme coins, promising projects, low-cap tokens that often deliver the strongest gains. The MEXC ecosystem offers a full set of tools for joining early projects and receiving new tokens even before they hit the market. These features are especially popular among traders and investors who want to enter promising assets right at the start. Launchpad is the platform for initial token sales. Users temporarily lock a certain amount of coins. In return, they receive an allocation of the new token at a fixed price. Many projects show growth after listing, making Launchpad attractive for long-term investors and those hunting for big gains. Kickstarter is a unique MEXC feature that works like a free token distribution. Users vote for projects using the MEXC token. After voting ends, tokens are distributed among participants. This is essentially a way to get new assets without investment. You just need to hold a small amount of MEXC in your account. MEXC is the key token of the MEXC ecosystem, unlocking additional benefits: reduced trading fees, priority participation in Launchpad, increased bonuses in Kickstarter, higher yields in the Earn section, airdrops for activity and holding the token. MEXC makes using all MEXC services more profitable and enhances earning opportunities, especially when combined with Launchpad, Kickstarter, and Earn. If you don't plan to trade actively but still want your crypto assets to generate income, MEXC has the Savings MEXC Earn section. This is a set of passive income tools where you can earn interest simply by holding coins. On the platform, staking is available for popular cryptocurrencies: USDT, BTC, SOL, MEXC, and more. Users can lock assets for a fixed term or choose a flexible mode. Earnings are credited regularly, depending on the type of staking selected. Staking options: flexible. Funds are available for withdrawal at any time. Perfect for those who want income while keeping liquidity under control. Fixed. Assets are locked for a set period, but the yield is higher. Best for long-term holding and maximizing profits. MEXC has built-in trading bots that let you automate strategies without complex setups. They're convenient for both beginners and experienced traders. Available bots: GridBot. Buys assets when the price drops and sells when it rises, operating within a set range. DCA bot averages the entry price by gradually building a position. Futures bots. Automated futures trading with chosen leverage and parameters. The platform offers ready-made templates, so launching takes just a few clicks. Choose a pair, strategy, range, and deposit amount. You can enable beginner mode for a simple start or switch to advanced settings for detailed configuration. Bots run 24/7, allowing you to profit from market movements even when you're away from your computer. How to launch a bot. Go to Wallet, Asset Overview. On the left panel, select Trading Bot. Choose the bot type: Grid, DCA, or Futures. Select the trading pair. Set parameters: price range, amount, margin mode for futures, or pick a ready template. Click Start. Once launched, the bot will automatically buy and sell assets according to your chosen strategy. You can stop it anytime, adjust settings, or withdraw profits. If you still have questions, join our private referral chat. There we'll go through all the details step by step, answer any requests, and help you set everything up. The link to the chat is in the description below the video. MEXC has a full-featured app for iOS and Android that lets you manage your account directly from your phone. All key functions are available inside: spot and futures trading, deposits and withdrawals, P2P deals, earn and staking, trading bots, built-in DEX Plus section. The interface is intuitive, fast, and stable, making it easy to track the market and open trades anytime. The exchange applies standard protection measures used by leading crypto platforms: cold wallet storage for the majority of assets, encryption of user data, two-factor authentication, 2FA, login and transaction notifications. Although KYC is not mandatory, for extra safety, it's recommended to enable 2FA and set up additional verification methods. Bonuses and referral program on MEXC. MEXC regularly launches promotions for new users, rewards for your first deposit, special trading tasks, limited time promo campaigns, free token giveaways. These bonuses can be used for trading or participating in specific activities on the platform. In your personal account, you'll find a unique invitation link. Share it with friends or colleagues and earn a percentage of their trading fees. The more actively your invited users trade, the higher your income. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscription. All useful links to our Telegram, trusted exchanges, and convenient wallets are waiting for you below the video. MEXC is not just an exchange, it's a complete ecosystem for trading and investing. It's easy for beginners to start here, and all the tools are available for active traders. Spot and futures trading without mandatory KYC. Dozens of new tokens and fast listings. Hot search, new listings, runners, and trending sections to discover promising coins, built-in DEX Plus for early projects, trading bots, earn, and regular bonus campaigns. The platform combines speed, stability, and wide functionality, and most importantly, it gives you the chance to find projects before they go mainstream. If you're looking for an exchange where you can both trade and unlock new opportunities, MEXC will be your guide into the world of crypto. All useful materials, bonuses, and links to the platform are right in the description below the video. Everything you need is collected there.